Welcome to Yogstalk English. In today's video, we're breaking down major developments in Texas involving H-1B visas. If you are on an H-1B, planning to apply, stuck outside the US, or thinking about future opportunities, this video is for you. Watch till the end because we're covering everything you need to know: the visa freeze, the investigation, reporting deadlines, and what this could mean for your immigration plans. The Texas governor has issued a directive that immediately halts new H-1B visa petitions by all Texas state agencies and public universities. This means that if a state university, research institution, or government agency in Texas wanted to file a new H-1B petition for an international worker, they must stop doing so until at least May 31, 2027. Alongside the freeze, the governor has also ordered a formal investigation into how H-1B visas are being used within state-funded institutions. The main purpose of this investigation is to assess whether the federal H-1B system is being used in ways that align with taxpayer interests, whether there are cases of misuse, and whether qualified local workers are being overlooked. As part of this order, all Texas state agencies and public universities are required to submit detailed reports by a specific deadline. These reports must be filed by March 27, 2026, and they need to include key information, such as how many H-1B petitions were filed in recent years, the types of jobs these workers are employed in, the countries of origin of the H-1B holders, and the costs associated with each position. The state's point is clear. Before allowing new H-1B hiring, officials want a full picture of how foreign workers are being used, whether the program is benefiting the state's workforce, and whether public dollars are appropriately prioritized for qualified Texas residents. Now, it's important to understand a few key facts about this development. First, this freeze only applies to state agencies and public universities in Texas. It does not cancel or change federal H-1B law, and it does not automatically stop private companies and employers from filing H-1B petitions under federal immigration rules. If you're being sponsored by a private company, your visa filings generally continue as usual. Second, existing H-1B workers at Texas state agencies or universities are not being removed. The freeze affects new petitions, not currently approved H-1B holders. You can continue working under your valid status, but new hiring decisions by those institutions are on hold. Third, the reporting deadline of March 27, 2026 is a critical date. Agencies and universities must provide detailed data by then. After that, state officials and lawmakers will review the information and decide whether to extend the freeze, adjust policies, or recommend changes at the state level. This could take months, and changes may continue into 2027. For international professionals and students, what does this mean in practical terms? If you were planning to work for a public university, state research institution, medical center, or government agency in Texas on an H-1B visa, your opportunity may be delayed. You may need to explore other employers, different visa types, or alternative states that are still hiring H-1B workers. If your employer is in the private sector or outside the state agency system, your case is generally governed by federal rules, and this state freeze does not directly block your petitions. However, the broader political focus on visa usage means employers may become more cautious in how they file cases. This development also signals a trend. State governments are paying closer attention to how federal immigration programs are used locally. We may see more state-level reviews and new internal policies in the future. So here's what you should do now. Stay informed, and don't make decisions based on rumors. Visa rules change fast. Talk to your immigration attorney or employer early if you have an active case or a planned petition. Understand the difference between state policy and federal immigration law. One does not automatically override the other. And if you are planning to work for a Texas state institution, consider backup plans, alternative employers, or different visa categories to keep your options open. If this video helped you understand the Texas H-1B freeze and investigation, please like and share it with others who may be affected. Subscribe to Yogstalk English for honest and clear updates on H-1B visas, immigration news, and global career information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.